essentially.
And I think you hit on it a little bit earlier. There's also those botanical terps out there that don't come just from cannabis. I mean, the pinene, obviously, you can get that from a pine tree. You can get that from all kinds of different plants out there. And I think there's some flowers that are grown naturally and natively that go well with foods as well. Do you experiment with some of that as also?
Um, I'm sorry. Can you say that one more time? I like looked over and started reading the comments. I'm sorry. I thought I caught it. I was like, nope, I lost that. I'm sorry.
No worries at all. What I was asking is the fact that you hit on it earlier about pine trees having pinene and stuff like that. Do you also use other botanical terps or flowers, natural flowers in your cooking, or is it primarily just cannabis?
Mostly just cannabis, but we've been experimenting more like I would say dabbling. We do. There's definitely a lot of different edible flowers in the culinary community, but I haven't actually experimented with using other botanical terpenes from flowers to enhance a dish.